Gimme Brow, you're winning.
I'm excited to try out another new product today, / I'm lying, I'm really nervous.
Hoping it's either skincare or makeup. I always say eyeshadow. I've given up.
I'm like nervous if it's like eyeshadow. Definitely don't wear that.
It's light?
Wait.
Huh?
I know I don't know what most products are, but like I'm pretty confident this is an eye mask.
Is there something in the mask that's treating my eyes? Someone's here.
We'll let you have a peek.
Oh, hi!
Hi. Do you know me?
No.
I'm Jared, the Global Brow Expert for Benefit.
Oh my gosh!
She said I feel you, but she meant I fill you. Girlfriend, we're talking eyebrows. Do you ever fill them in?
No.
Oh, honey.
I know.
There's something new.
Uh-huh.
There's 8 shades.
There's like loads of them.
For you, we're gonna pick a deep.
Yep.
Right?
Yep, that
So-
seems right.
That seems right.
I would probably guess 2 or 3.
Okay, so I think you're gonna be shade 6.
Ooh.
You're a 2. Shade number 5, which is actually a cool brown black. So with Gimme Brow, have you used this before?
I have not. No.
I'm kind of crazy about my eyebrows. Threading in me every 2 weeks.
And what you wanna do is open it, just like this. Dip, dip, and just coat those hairs. And you're really adding these fibers to the hair. H-O-T.
Oh my God, that is so cool.
It's your turn. Remember, step 1,
Open it.
open it.
So it's tease and tame.
That's right. Tease and tame.
The real test is gonna be if I can do it at home without him.
It's one of those days where I just don't feel like putting on a lot of makeup, so I'm just gonna do brows and mascara.
I do think they're a little bit unruly because it's been months since I had them shaped, tweezed, threaded, nothing. Look at them up close.
I actually don't really know how to use this. I may have already forgotten what he told me to do.
Wiggle it back and forth in the areas that are a bit sparse.
Brushing it in.
This also is really making me realize how different my eyebrows are.
Side A. It does look more filled in. And side B.
I have the Gimme Brow on this eye right now, but not on this eye. I feel like this one looks really good as it gets.
You know what? Maybe there is a thing to this whole brow product thing.
One of the things I value the most from my routine is speed. Here are my 4 key items. We'll see how long this takes, starting now. Minutes, start to finish.
Isn't that crazy? That like that little product in under like 10 seconds can make it look that different. Pretty good for newbies.
Today I am passing the Gimme Brow torch. This is Meredith. She has very light eyebrows, so I'm gonna go ahead and give her a little eyebrow makeover.
I don't think they look like caterpillars.
I think it just like frames your face a little bit better.
Final thoughts. Benefit Gimme Brow is awesome. You have to have it in your makeup bag.
Before I did this, I really did not use brow products. I can truly say now that I am a brow product user and I'm excited to use it going forward.
A++, loved it. Jared, this one's for you. Hope you think my brows look good. Bye.